Glyza De Castro has debunked rumors that she is one of the celebrity housemates of this PBB Club edition. Oo nga, nagulat nga ako actually. Nung nakita ko yung mga pictures, sabi ko oo nga no, parang kahawig ko nga yung half ng mukha, tapos blonde. May face ako na naka-blonde ako. She even played the guessing game with the photo hints released to tease the audience. Tinitignan ko rin yung feed ko, tinatry kung I guess kung sino yung iba, ang hirap din talaga, hulaan. She added, yung makeup artist ko, nag-message sa akin. Sabi niya, daughter, congratulations. Papasok ka pala sa bahay ni kuya. Sabi ko, saan nanggaling yun? Glyza said, hindi po ako. Si Clarice po iyon. Surprise. But is she open to the idea if ever? If ever man, parang masaya rin siyang idea, ibang challenge siya. Right now, Glyza is busy promoting her latest movie, Sinagtala, where she plays a band member together with fellow actor-singers Arcy Muñoz, Rian Ramos, Raver Cruz and Matt Lozano. Glyza describes this movie as a passion project under the helm of Mike Sundayjazz. Punong-puno ng passion ang pelikulang ito. From the filmmaker, to the staff and of course my co-actors. Na-feel ko yung pagmamahal nila sa proyekto na ito. Sobrang proud ako sa kanila. At natutuwa ako na nagkasama-sama kami. Sinagtala will hit cinemas on April 2. Meanwhile, Glyza is also happy that her good friend Angelica Panganiban is all set for her comeback project. Glyza confirmed that Ang is working on a project right now and she said, excited ako for her. Meron siyang isang napaka-exciting na proyektong gagawin. Magsisimula na talaga siya very soon. Na-miss din kasi siya ng mga tao medyo matagal-tagal din siyang nag-focus sa pagiging ina. Pero nung kinukwento niya sa amin yung gagawin niya, na-excite kami kasi sobrang really different. First time niya itong gagawin.